Hey guys, so to connect your ACER laptop to Projector with HDMI, so how to do it is you're gonna have the ACER laptop, the HDMI port, and you just want to locate that. And what you're gonna do then is that on the projector, you want to look for the HDMI too. So you're gonna have Projector HDMI. And then you just need to connect both with the HDMI cable. And that's it, how you're gonna do it. So thank you very much for watching. And then maybe we'll have to also install some kind of like driver.